Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use QuickBooks Online for your business, you know how important it is to keep your invoices looking professional and on brand. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change or update your logo on your QuickBooks invoices step by step using the latest interface. This is super easy to do, and by the end of this video, your invoices will look sharp, consistent, and fully branded. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online homepage. At the top right, click Sign In and enter your login details, your email and password. Double check your info before clicking Submit, just to make sure you avoid any login issues. Once you're in, you'll land on your main QuickBooks dashboard. From the dashboard, click the New button on the left-hand menu and choose Invoice from the drop-down list. This opens up the invoice creation window where you can start customizing the layout and design of your invoice. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the invoice page and click Customize. Then select Edit Current. This lets you modify your existing invoice template. Here, you can tweak colors, layout, and most importantly, your company logo. Click directly on the logo section. You'll see an option to upload a new image from your device or choose one already stored in your QuickBooks account. Make sure your logo is in JPEG, GIF, or PNG format, and try to keep the size small but clear. This helps it display perfectly on your invoices. Once your new logo is uploaded, click Preview to see how it looks on the invoice. If everything looks great, hit Done to save your changes. From now on, your updated logo will automatically appear on all new invoices you send out. And that's it. Your QuickBooks invoices now have a clean, professional look that matches your brand. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and drop a comment if there's another topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.